Diba nakapamili na para sa inyong Noche Buena?
Naman! Yes!
Bakit? Dahil syempre with everything that has happened this year, dapat thankful pa rin tayong lahat dahil tuloy pa rin ang Pasko para sa atin.
Tama yan, Luis, kasi syempre, yung Noche Buena yun, yung pinaka-abang-abang nating lahat. Yun yung pinaka-importanting meal of the year. Syempre, doon mo na kasama yung mga kapamilya mo and mga mahal mo sa buhay.
Yes, tama!
At syempre, ang pinaka-exciting video yung Kris Kringle. Kami, alam nyo guys, makinig kayo. Magandang story.
Ano yun?
May kasi kami sa bahay, meron kaming Secret Santa. O meron ba kayo nun?
Secret Santa?
Oo.
Wala,
Tapos
ikaw
after nun, doon na mangyayari yung exchange gift. Kaya sobrang masaya talaga.
Wala. Ikaw lang yun. Wala.
Walang yun. Saya nyo naman.
Ikaw.
Alam nyo guys, dahil masaya kayo, tama naman lahat ng mga sinabi mo, Empress. Pero tulad ng pag-aabang natin sa Christmas Eve, eto pa ang isa pang dapat ninyong abangan. Ang Part 2 ng Christmas Special, mamayang gabi na po yan. Kung napanood nyo po kagabi, may Part 2 pa po yan mamayang gabi. Kaya sana po panoorin nyo. Ipapalabas ang Part 2 sa Sunday's Best. Abangan nyo po mamaya mga kapamilya. And after Asa XB, your song presents Kim. Mamaya na po yan.
Yes! Congratulations, Kim Boy! Eto, inaabangan niya. At pang isang kaabang-abang talaga ang next big performance mula sa ating mga kapamilya sa Star Magic. Now put your hands together for Mickey, Charles, Lau, Sergio, the Giger Boys, Robbie, Aaron, AJ, Enrique, Samsi, Benjamin, Lauren, Hias, Lynn, Helga, Shay, and Devon, Kyra, April, Vika, Justin, Chicada, and Alex.
With the Star Magic Glee Plus, Tara, Kay, Lizelle, Iman, Ariet, and Mateo, A-Pop, Jacko, Nell, Young, JB, and the Boys, Gucci, Nico, and JR!
Jump on the goodness Santa Claus down through the chimney, lots of toys, all a little voice of Christmas just. Ho ho ho, who would go? Ho ho ho, who would go? Up on the rooftop, click click click, down to the chimney with your singing. The honkies up on the rooftop, let the honkies up on the rooftop, let the honkies up on the rooftop. Oh oh, here comes the stocking on little Nell. First comes the stocking of it's a well. Oh, you Santa, feel it well. Glitter down, the lights on rise. One of the road and shout la la. Oh, we now bouquet apparel. La 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 la. From the you got glow. La 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 la. Yeah. Hey, come on everybody, let's all get down. Come on everybody.
Decades after decades of timeless hit, record-breaking ballad, and memorable concert of the ultimate heartthrob.
You'd be like heaven to touch.
From the platinum success of his first Decades album, Star Records and Mr. Piolo Pascual bring you Decades 2, featuring hit songs from the 80s, 90s, and 2000s in a special limited edition album package. Live on the ASAP XB concert stage, we bring you a one-of-a-kind performance from the one and only ultimate heartthrob, Piolo Pascual.
I guess you've heard, I guess you know. It's I might have told you, but I guess I'm too slow. And it's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This could not be happening to me. But you were there. But you were everything I've never seen. You woke me up from this long endless sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Can I take your smile home with me? Oh, the magic in your hand. The rain has stopped, the storm has passed. Look at all the colors, now the sun's here at last. I suppose that you'd be leaving, but I want you to know part of you stays with me even after you go. I go back to playing someone else's scene. This could not be happening to me. But you were there. You were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone. Opened my eyes and know now I'm not alone. No, not alone. Opened my eyes and you were there. Thank you.
The ultimate heartthrob, Piolo Pascual!
Hi guys.
Hello, congratulations on your follow-up album.
Yes, that is right. That's my follow-up album to my
It's so
first
nice.
album last year, Decades 1, which had hits from 50s, 60s, 70s, and continuing on to the hits from the 80s, 90s, 2000s. So 4 songs each decade.
Plus,
Saang
may
dekada ka
poster. Diba? Wag na.
Poster yan, 12 posters yan na pwede nyong ipin sa likod ng pinto ninyo. And,
Kaya pala kinuha na ni Bea yung
Actually,
isa.
buong wall ko, puro ganyan lang.
Wish rank ka na doon.
But yan, so before that, I'd like to, of course, thank my friends
who supported my first album, Decades 1, last year. And sana po, yung continuation, bilhin ninyo. It's a good Christmas gift. I'd like to thank, of course, Star Records, my co-producer Jonathan Manalo, and all the engineers, all the musicians who worked for the album. Kasi inibinala lahat ng areglo ng songs dito. And I'd like to thank my family from BDO Remit, Miss Tezzy Coson, Miss Jeannie Gloria, and Miss Leia Lau. Maraming salamat po. This afternoon, I'll be at the SM Block for my album launch, formal album launch. First day po ng selling ngayon ng album. And sa lahat ng bibili sa SM The Block, dun po kami magsasign ng autographs at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And of course, gusto ko rin i-promote tong aking coffee table book, which is already out in the market. It's exclusively sold at Fully Booked. These are collections of photos that Raymond Isaac took.
Really nice
of me.
photos.
Never before seen photos, and it's a coffee table book. Sana bumili po kayo ng kopya. Exclusively sold at Fully Booked. Yun.
Alright, congratulations, Papa P. We're
Thank you.
wishing
Thanks very much.
Luck this Christmas. At ito naman susunod, si Sarah G and Miss Ai de las Alas sa pagbabalik po yan ng ASAP XP.
Ito na ang maangas na pamaskong handog ng grupong Angas XP. Sina Shasha, Sarah, Nina, Eric, Yeng, Karil, Kim, Maha, Shaina, Encho, Robbie, Jacko, Sam, Piolo at Gary. Tatalhin kanila sa mundo ng isang masayang Paskong punong-puno ng mga regalo. At may bonus pang naiibang musical showdown. Choreographed by Sherwin of G-Force and led by team leader Gary V.
Get ready dahil medyo kakaiba ang gagawin namin para sa inyo.
Ito ang pinakamatinding pagsasama-sama ng ASAP Christmas!
Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Abangan niyo po ang aming group performance.
Umanda na sa maangas na Christmas musical treat ng Angas XP. Sunod na po yan!